믿자.
I saw a post
아,
that said, when I'm walking my dog,
아,
and if you don't smile at him, I'm gonna assume you're a terrible person. I think I expect people to look at me whenever I'm
when I'm walking the dog, I see a dog, I always just think, look at them.
They're so cute. Oh, I think I put too much pepper paste in here. Ugh. Yeah, it's like, it's not as like refreshing. And I think it's just the pepper. I don't know. I don't think I added that much, but it's not as refreshing as I want it to be, so it's okay. Or maybe it's the Spam. Need a lot of tofu. Need a lot of protein in my system, so I'm gonna go tofu. One more Spam. Hi everyone! Okay, the introduction was a little late, but welcome back to another what I eat in a day. It's going to be another realistic pregnancy, what I eat in a day vlog. So for today's, my second breakfast slash my lunch is kimchi stew. I actually made this for Tong's lunch today, but I had a lot left over, so I think I'm gonna just kind of use it as my lunch today. I'm a little bit in a rush because I do have to head out. I don't want to stay out too long. I don't want to come home during traffic time, so I have some steamed eggs and roasted seaweed paper. I think this bang and this hairstyle would have looked better if I had a skinnier jawline, but right now I am very plump due to pregnancy. I'm just gonna use pregnancy as my excuse for everything. I am very, very plump. It's not that like I completely let go of myself from gaining weight just because it's natural during pregnancy, but at the same time, like, I don't want to stress over it. Like, I'm not trying to like eat as much as I can, utilize, like take advantage of this, this situation. It's not like that, but at the same time, I'm not stressing over it. I already stressed enough over pain, back pain, side pain, arm pain, whatever, that I don't need anything else to add on to that, So good. Today is so beautiful outside. So beautiful. I'm going to go get some plants from my mom's house, my parents' house, and I'm gonna pick up some soil and maybe extra pots. I might just repot everything because it is spring. If you guys didn't know, and around this time, I think it's the best to repot everything, give them new fresh soil to prepare for the summer. So they could do as much growing as possible when there's lots of sun and it's hot. I have tofu. I have some tofu and spam. I'm in such a rush. I am so sorry. I don't want to eat super fast. And I don't want to miss Ames lunchtime. Or his next meal by too much. I don't know if you guys do this with your dogs. I know a lot of people do it with their cats. Like they leave the food out and they just come whenever they want and like they nibble, leave, and come back, nibble, leave, and all that. But I don't know. Some dogs do that. I've seen dogs, but I don't know if you guys do that for your dog, especially because I don't leave any treats. I don't leave any food for my dog because just in case like because they do choke on it. You know, a lot of things could happen while they're eating and I don't want that to happen when I'm not there. So I never leave any, especially like bully sticks. I never leave it out. So I stopped giving him any rawhides because I know they take a while to digest in their stomach. It stays in their stomach for a few days, and I didn't like the idea of that anymore just because Ame is an older dog now, and I don't want anything like that. I've never seen this happen to him until like last year, I think. He was chewing on the rawhide and then there was like this much left and it vertically got stuck on top of his mouth and he was kind of like gagging a little bit, trying to get it out. You know, they're not like us where they could use their tongue to get like something stuck out of their mouth. They can't do that. So he was just kind of like, and then eventually like it started bleeding a little bit, so I was like, okay, what the hell is going on? So I checked and was stuck and I had to get it out for him. So I don't want anything like that to happen. So no more rawhides for him. I only give him biscuits and his kibbles. And sometimes eggs, sometimes like chicken breast, but that's all I give him. Sometimes like human food, but like tiny, like burger size. You know, when you make the steamed eggs, if you use, instead of just plain water, if you use like anchovy kelp stock or whatever stock you have, it tastes so much better, significantly better. Pinch of salt or a little bit more depending on how salty you want it. Pepper flakes, black pepper flakes. You could add like onions, green onions or whatever. Microwave it. My perfect ratio for water and egg is 4 large eggs and 1 cup of either water or stock. And it's so soft. And make sure to filter or like strain your eggs before you microwave for 6 minutes. It's perfect. Super moist, super soft. cream. Ice cream, you scream. Okay. So I'm planning to record literally everything that I eat today, and I think you guys will see me just eat sugar all day. My chocolates are usually 99% of the time frozen. I don't know if you guys do the same thing. Trust me, it tastes so much better. Oh, I'm gonna eat this. Hopefully not all of it. I did bring my guppies from my parents' house, so I had to transfer them to the tank here. It's not the prettiest. I'm just trying to keep them alive until I have all the setups like settled. And then I could like bring in more plants or like aquarium plants and all that. So right now it's very minimal, just trying to keep them alive. I don't want to kill any of them. It was a really quick trip, nothing too crazy. I'm glad I ate before I left. If not, I think I would have stopped by Burger King or McDonald's again, and I don't want to keep doing that, obviously. It is beautiful. Beautiful outside today. And I think I'm gonna stare at my plants. So I didn't bring as much as I thought I would. I only brought my Monstera. This is the only one that I brought today. I used to love the really full and like bushy and like really like hardy looking plants, but now I just want like stems and like one leaf. I really like that look. I don't know what it is, but that's what I'm going for. So I might even just kind of start ordering like propagated one leaves, just a single leaf online or Etsy, and just kind of grow it from there. Yeah. So we'll see what happens. We'll take a break. And today's dinner is going to be soba. So small, tiny, very tiny change of plan. I was not feeling for a soba, so I ended up eating leftover kimchi stew and without rice. So I'm just kind of like covered for the rest of the night. But I did have some squid leftover that I had to use. So I'm going to make some kimchi pancake with squid. It's one of my favorite toppings. So I'm just gonna show you guys. I mainly bought this grill for camping, but as soon as I got it, I think I got pregnant. No, actually, I think I bought it for mukbang and camping. voila. Sort of my dinner. Let's try this. Oh my gosh, so sour. I love it. So if you have very fermented kimchi and you don't want it to be this sour, add a little bit of sugar. I'm only gonna eat one, and I do have to pack rest for tomorrow's lunch or breakfast, I don't know. Or maybe he'll have some tonight. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's what I eat in a day. I'm going to enjoy my show and just enjoy my little snack / dinner, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.